Hello, my name is Nick, and today we're going to briefly go over the operations of the portable scooter.
Okay, so the first thing we'll go over is the controls of the scooter. So you're going to take the key and turn it one click clockwise. That will turn the scooter on. To the left of the key, you'll see the speed control. Pointing to the left is slow, and as you move it clockwise to the right, the scooter will increase in speed. If you pull on the right side of the trigger, the scooter will go forward, and pulling on the left side of the scooter will make it go in reverse. A quick troubleshooting tip: if you unload the scooter from your car and reassemble it, and you turn it on and you just hear this beeping sound, there's a good chance that this lever on the rear wheels has gone into the forward position, which is the unlock position. When you are operating the scooter, the lever should be in the rear position. You'll find the charger in the pocket behind the seat. To charge the scooter, make sure you turn the power off on the scooter. Then we're going to plug the charger into the wall and match the 3 pins on the charger up with the port on the battery. So put light pressure on this until you find the pins lining up, and then push all the way in. You can also charge the battery when it is completely removed from the scooter. Alright, this is how you disassemble the scooter for easy transportation. So the first thing you'll do is just turn it off, and then you can fold the seat down and grab the seat from both sides of it and just pull straight up. Put that off to the side. The next thing to come apart is the battery. Put that off to the side. And the next part is this lever. If you pull that up while you're holding the handlebar over here, this will break apart the front assembly from these rear wheels. So we're going to pull up on this lever and pull that forward out of the way. The next thing you can do is fold down the handlebar. So to do that, just grab this thumb screw down here, loosen that up so that these gears disengage. And now it's going to, assuming that you loosened it up enough, it should smoothly fold down like this. So just carefully put that down. We don't want to break that plastic part there. Okay, now we're going to go over how to reassemble the scooter. So the first thing is you're going to grab the rear wheel assembly from this handle back here and kind of tip it back on those wheels on the back so that we have access to this bar right here, because then you're going to grab the front side of the scooter, and we want to align these hooks on that front assembly with this bar. So we're tipping this back so that we can get good access to that. Make sure that the hooks are fully seated on that bar, and then we're going to slowly bring this together until it snaps. Don't try to force that. It should snap together pretty smoothly. Next, we're going to take the battery and just align that with its connector right at the seat post and push straight down on that. You'll hear that snap. And lastly, take the seat and we're just going to align that with the post and push down on that as well. And now you should be good to go. Once you get on the scooter, now you could adjust the angle of the handlebar if you would like to. So as we showed, just go ahead and loosen that thumb screw. You can bring it to the position that you want that to be in, and then retighten the thumb screw to hold the handlebar in the right position. Enjoy your trip.